So guys, this is my project. This is actually our project. So in this case, it's in the Mobilize. Mobilize is basically a website developer, and it's a drag and drop, and it's actually a bootstrap. It's a bootstrap actually drag and drop website developer. So it uses Bootstrap 4, though it has the current version of Bootstrap 5. So this one is Bootstrap 4. So this is our project. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to publish it in a local folder, such that we can later take it to our app. So so I have already created a folder called icons and my documents. So let me go ahead and hit publish, such that I can really publish it to my local folder, and I get the files, the raw files, the HTML. So Mobilizer is now developing the files and publishing them to my folder. So now here, this is how it looks like in the browser. So remember, it's an Android, I mean it's an app. So in order to see it very well, the way it will look like on the phone, you have to inspect. So after inspecting, so this is how it looks like on the phone. This is how it will look like. So you can go ahead and I think close this, because all we need is our folder where we have exported. Here it is, icons. So you open, so these are our files. This is the complete project. For example, if you're editing the project and you're updating, so you just come here, update your pages, add in new pages, add in new content, and updating, you shall be updating like once in a year. Yeah, once in a year. So after updating, adding in more content, adding in more pics, so you republish. And when you republish, meaning that it will be updating this folder. So all you have to do is copy everything in this folder, copy, and then come to your Android Studio. Now let me first close this, I no longer need it. So then you come to your Android Studio. Now remember, we already have a project that is built. The payment system is there, everything. Now this is a web view that is loading from the local files or local assets. So you bring your project that you've copied from the other end, from the local folders, and you paste it in the asset folder of the app. If you don't have the asset folder of the app, you create it. Yes, right click somewhere and create. Yeah, you create the asset folder and then paste the project files. So here I'm pasting the project files in the asset folder. So you just say yes, okay, click OK, and it pastes all the asset files that we've created from the project into your Android project now. So still updating indices. So it is now pasting our project in the Android project. I think finally it's done. So here we are. So now inside the asset folder, inside the app asset folder, we have our project with its assets and the HTML files. But remember, in our app, so this app code, you don't have to keep on repeating. No, you just code once, and then for you just bring the projects or any updates that you've made in the project, and then you paste it here. So for it, it is actually according to the link that it has here, though you can change it and it loads a different page, but by default we are loading the index page. So here it is. So it will be on opening, by default it will be opening the index page, index.html. So in that case, I think we are done. We can build or rebuild. In that case, maybe if you're republishing. Now this is our first project, so we're just going to build our APK. I'm not running, I'm just rebuilding. Then after rebuilding, I will have my APK built, and I will paste it on my phone or install it on my phone. Then I'll be good to go. Still building. Gradle is running. Just have to be patient. see motion project. It's a little bit slow, but you just have to be patient. Very soon to be finishing. Okay, I think it's done. Gradle is done running. So finally it builds a APK. You can locate where it is. I'm going to click on locate and we see where it is exactly. It's in the debug folder, the debug, yeah, debug folder. So these are the previous ones, but the current one is this one on top, app debug. So you copy the app debug. Now the app is done. You copy the app debug and then you take it to your phone for installing. Okay, so I think that's all.